Good morning, sunshine. Here are some highlights from this year's Christmas celebration. First, I wanted to share the star trails taken with the new GoPro 12. Thank you. That rock came from the Chattahoochee River. I make Newsom stop and let me collect them on the side of the road. Yep, they're very special to me.
He thinks that the cat since his friends were mad at him.
There you go. Are you playing in my water garden?
7 or 8. Oh, because Nick, you
Oh, that's a rock that I put in there for you. It's the right size.
very old.
Penny has found the old rocking chair.
Are you stuck?
Yeah, you're so proud. I think she is stuck. You like my rock garden. You like my rock garden.
Oh, somebody put a ribbon on John Todd. That's cute.
He's got a bow.
He's going to be in the marching band?
Talk about tooting your own horn.
That does make me nervous when she's walking with it.
Are you playing with my phone? That's Newsom playing the piano.
The nice one.
That's the third one.
That's his third one?
Penny!
Wait, this is second.
Okay, I was about to say,
I got you the GoPro. There you go.
All right,
John.
penny can.
Penny cam.
He would like to go.
I will stick tape that third cookie. And you will have a bad Christmas, John, I promise you. Stop eyeballing it. Oh, no, that's yours.
Mr.
You already had too much sugar. There you go. But eat it for the dog, get it. You're the only one who could save the dog, Penny.
Cap.
I'm saying if she eats the cookie, he can't steal it.
Oh. So she having sugar herself too. Me and mom like, to give her.
Here.
So she gonna
Do you
be
want to
up all
take
night.
pictures? There. Now aim it at people. Oh, there went a cookie.
Alright, that one doesn't count because he didn't steal it.
You got to aim it at people.
Hey!
He's trying.
Is it just at her
Oh,
face now?
very nice. Aimed at you.
It's just gonna be her face walking around.
Did you get
Which
enough
is cute in
cookie?
its own way.
Did you get enough cookie or do you want more?
She had a good amount before John sold it.
Yeah, she had several.
Yeah.
I swear, Sony be
Penny.
treating me so bad. Like,
Oh, it's upside down. Oh, of course.
Sit down.
Hey, Penny. Before we put Say cheese.
oh.
Say cheese. Hey. John, you this.
John?
Cheese.
Oh, he did.
Cheese.
What do you
He's silent.
Oh, the leg.
I have to do it.
Oh, it's a folding. Yeah. And I wrote a fancy word that I'm going to try to recreate here. And then we spent some time with Grant Chesney down at the farm at Wayne Anderson's. And then Newsom had
Two
his
cameras.
45th.
You are related to your grandma.
Oh, my
And
God.
so we got to play catch up with a bunch of his friends.
Can we make that work?
It's a Build-A-Bear water bear.
Decorated by CiCi.
Nice. It kind of looks like sticks from
What's
Little
your
Stitch.
voice band?
That's for you. Oh, you don't have tape. Nope.
What did that come from?
Yeah.
You put a voice box.
That's a Build-A-Bear.
John,
And you know what? It talks to you.
Oh.
Oh,
you just
It's
wrote him.
Pinky.
you want to wear
That's
that?
playing
Oh,
peekaboo.
okay, you can wear that.
She should
This
strip that
fits.
bird.
She was like, yoink. Oh, we're going to be doing martial arts.
Penny's son.
That's her Bruce
Oh,
Lee.
yeah.
Aww.
Oh, yeah. Look at you.
Like,
Why you come up in here like that?
Sit.
And there
Hey,
is
that's
your
kinda
rock
cocky.
here.
She has a hat. Well, bunny ears.
Look, leg warmers. It has leg warmers. And
Aww.
Now that's
She's
cute.
biting the eyeball.
She gonna bite it.
That should be a crime.
Yo.
All right. Well, that's not the only one. Look, we can put
It
this
should.
one
That's physical harassment to bears.
there. Now, here's you one. All right, you don't want that.
She's not a fan of things on her head.
All right, and look, I made this
Oh.
out of one of your old dresses.
DJs? Yeah.
It was a dress, and so it's a
Oh yeah,
little.
they coming out with a new one.
Penny, come back. AJ came out last week.
Oh, and
Penny.
your water bear has a fanny
Oh,
pack.
for me?
Now the water bear has not been
No,
named
no,
yet,
no.
but this is Little Pack.
She'll name
Oh,
it.
oh,
Aww.
So Little Pack is in the fanny pack.
Hi, Penny.
And if you ever have another baby doll that these fit, it does not fit on the water bear in any which way, but it came with the water bear.
Oh.
It's
But
funny,
it's
Penny.
Bluey.
Penny's not the biggest fan of Bluey right now. I put it on for her, and she likes Elmo. And Elmo and Sesame Street were her attention. I put it on Bluey, and she was so bored.
I still watch that.
What's his name from Mortal Kombat? I can't remember his name.
Oh no, I got
Luke
it.
Cage, I think.
There it is.
Oh, there is a Luke Cage in Mortal Kombat.
Yeah.
There's a, I was thinking of
So,
Fei
Zero
Long.
wins.
Fei Long is also.
Rawr.
But you're right. Luke Cage too is also. He will eat it. They both have the same time.
Say cheese. Q, you know what?
Here's something for you to play with. During this segment, we introduced Penny to Miss Joe's music makers. But do you see the decoration?
I was looking at the and you got gloves. See, look.
Yeah!
Penny.
So,
Hey,
he just put me on the ground up for like,
This is tough.
ooh, you
you should have put me on like that, bro.
we went to the bookstore.
Nice. When did you go? You should have told me.
We went to the bookstore. We were there with our friends
Are you kidding myself?
before we went to Oxford.
Oh, that's Saturday. Between the 18th and the 20th, I got 30% off.
Well, I got a loan percent off.
Oh, nice.
It was like $10 off.
Oh, wow. Okay.
A lot. I mean, we
Yeah,
did
good.
well. We did well. Christmas morning kitty drama.
You can do it.
It's a good jump.
Yeah. You can do it.
My goodness. That was pretty.
It popped out.
Popped out. My wood.
Penny, what's that you got there?
Camera.
Well, there's the balls.
There's still a few stragglers in here.
This is probably like a little starter set, and it's probably like.
I know, it's like half the rest is on you.
Go
So,
ahead, Penny.
once she's had her fun with it, I'm hoping for a re-gift.
That's a really good idea.
Butt to butt. The meat man. There it is. Yes, sirree. It was a particularly blessed roast beast. This is Eddie, Christmas of 1964. And both of us, after we moved from Bennett Circle to Bankhead Highway. That was 1966. Oh, this was 1960. I was still in utero, in Birmingham. Which leads me to my last picture, a screenshot. The best hoot and holler I had of the season. Crystal, I love you to the stars and back.